Hi there friends, this is Grace and welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video and kind of a challenge video. I am not feeling the mojo lately and I think it's just because it's summer and we've gone on trips, plus I feel like with being at home most of the time, besides that we're on the vacation, then we came back, and then of course they say that you kind of stay home if you don't really have to go anywhere, plus a lot of the places that we want to go to are closed. So I'm just kind of not feeling the creative burst lately. Anyways, so I thought that you can help me with that. So here's the thing, I have this basket and this is just my new product basket, and I'm gonna try to remember to link in the description box below the kind of shelf system that I have. It's actually an IKEA shelving. I totally forgot what the name of the shelving is, but it's just an office shelving. There's three shelves or four shelves, and then I actually bought three of them, so they're just one long one that's actually by my scrapbook table. But anyways, I divided them into, or I divided my products into each of those drawers, shelves, and this shelf specifically houses my new to me products, basically whatever I had bought, whatever that's been given to me, anything that is new to me and I've never touched it yet. So I'm going to kind of go through this and kind of pick 10 items that I would maybe want to play with sometime soon. And here's the thing, I would need you guys to vote. I would need you to tell me which ones that I should use, and the top five that the top five items that would get the most votes, I will use in a layout. So it's up to you. You can make it hard for me. You can give me a hard time and make me suffer as to the things that is not in my comfort zone, or you can be nice to me and pick, oh yeah, Grace, style would really fit this kind of product. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. But I kind of need that kind of outside challenge for me to bust through my little creative drought. Is that even the word? I don't know, but you know what I'm saying. I mean, you guys are all creatives. You know how it feels like. Okay, so let's just dive into this. Some of these items has been here for years because I've just never touched them. So most of them will be on the bottom of the pile. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to set this maybe over here, and then we'll just go through the things. Okay, so I had purchased a few sheet protectors at Echo Park in the beginning of the year, and I also purchased a few things in there, and one of those is this Echo Park 6x6 paper pad Lost in Neverland. And this one I specifically chose because I don't have a lot of masculine type papers in items, so I thought I would use that. And then this one, Simple Story stencil, it is Gingham, and this was, I believe I got this from the package with all of the summer farmhouse items that I got. So this is a stencil, and then I got this one from, I think, a box from Scrapbook and Cards Today magazines, and excuse me, it's just a happy birthday puffy stickers, just a bunch of happy birthday themes. And then the other side, it's really fun. I do have some birthday layouts that I can do, and this is another birthday layout, so if you want to do a theme to make it easy for me, you can, but we'll see if you want to do it easy for me. Anyways, I got this at Tuesday morning, and it's a 6x8 paper pad from Pebbles. Birthday, I could always use birthday papers, that's why I picked that. And then this one's a Christmas one. I bought this at Tuesday morning specifically for making Christmas cards this year because I do love the ornaments. I could easily cut that or stamp it and cut it and then just add it to a paper or a card base, and that will do it. Here's a thickers puffy stickers, honey puffy stickers, again from Tuesday morning, and just gold and black. And then this is a stamp set from Echo Park. It's just a border stamp, but I really love the leaves on there, and I thought I could use this for a lot of things, but again, haven't used it. And this one's cardstock tags from Jillibean Soup. Here is what we have there. This is kind of a, is it a village or a townscape type of idea? It's from My Favorite Things, and it's called Our Town, and it's just a die cut. And then I have this nestling die set from Doris. It's oval. It's actually a double that I already have. And then these are letter stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby a few months back. I know that I don't have a lot of reds and blues in my stash, so I pulled these ones out. I think I bought this when they were 50% off. And then another Christmas one. I'm trying to collect Christmas stuff because I'm running out of it. And this is just a bunch of like Merry Christmas, holiday wishes, sentiments, basically. And that's what we have at the back. And then I have this wood banner. I can make a... I really don't want to make a banner with this one. I don't know. But wood hearts. There is this fabric ink, yellow. Oh, I think I purchased this with like making some shirts with stencils in mind. That's why I bought that one. And I think I have a pink one too. I don't know where it is. And then this one is metallic lustre. Ooh, it's a wax metallic finish. Again, haven't used this. And then we have this one, Vicki Boutin Mixed Media. It's just rub-on transfers. Okay, and then we have this puffy stickers, just hearts. This is, I think, from the Target dollar spot. And I like to buy generic items that I know I can use for a lot of things. Like, I mean, of course I can use stuff for Valentine's, but any love themed. And then this one's just boxes. So I'm just going to put that aside. Why haven't I used that? I don't know. And then these are a bunch of stencils from Deco Art. You see there's a flower right there. This kind of geometric. And then you have this stencil, and then this other one. They're stick-on stencils, so you can just stick them on your material, and then you can peel them off afterwards. Okay, and this one is puffy stickers Barnyard from Bella Blvd. I thought it was fun. I think I bought this because we went to a what is it called? Oh, I kind of forgot. A state fair. We went to a California state fair, and you know, we went and saw the animals and stuff. But guess what? I have made the page like over a year ago and never touched this. Raise your hand if you're like me, where you have something in mind and you never actually used it. Yeah, that's me. Illustrated Faith, say it out loud. This is All People, All Nations stickers. And then this one is just an adhesive patch, and it's a T. So I thought I could use that because my last name is Tolman. And this one's Weeblos Do a Good Turn. I think I bought this like many years ago. And yeah, haven't used this. My son is, you know, Scouts is not even, we're not even doing Scouts anymore. And yet I have Scout stuff like this one. I don't know what I'm thinking when I buy stuff. These are just clips. This one, white letter stickers, just white. Oh, this is my Miss Sparkle & Co. That means that it's from Joann's. Oh, this is a cute one. Doodle Pops, cardstock stickers. I think I have two here. Yeah, this one monster and then this other monster. Those are cute. I don't know what I'm going to do it with. Hearts, these are just foam hearts. Again, I don't know why I have these things here. And this one is a stamp and die set. This one is for Art Impressions. It's called HM Valentine set. As you can see, there's this little house that you can create a scenery, and then it comes with the tiny stamps plus the dies. And let's see here. Coffee filter. I don't know why I'm doing coffee filter. This is another metallic luster, but now it's in black shimmer. Okay, and then I have a stamp here. I think this is like used for planners. And This is called Here and Now Flair. I think I bought this because I could, stamp this and make my own Flair, but I don't do that anymore anyways. I don't know what. Here's another of those fabric inks, but it's in pink. Here is some acrylic words from Jillibean Soup. So I'll have to paint this in some fashion if I wanted to use that. And then I have this stamp. I don't really do this kind of stamping because that means you have to color her hair and her skin and her clothes. But that's that. And then here is kind of sentiments, small ones, planner, special days. Okay, we have, oh, this one's just puffy stickers, and it was in the clearance section in Tuesday morning. And then we have these envelopes, glassine bags from Jillibean Soup. Then I have this stamp. Every day is a gift, so pretend tomorrow is from me. Happy birthday and enjoy your gift. It's from Tulip Stamps. I believe I got this like in one of my, when I used to design for glue dots. They would coordinate with companies and then they would send us their products so we can use the adhesive to go with those. And this is just a jewel picker that I bought at Amazon. Haven't even used it. This one is notebooks from Webster Pages, and then some stickers and ephemera from Webster's Pages. Got one. We have two. And then this one, wallpaper quotes. Interesting. Okay, and then another stamp set. What does this one say? This one says, you know you're a crafter when paint or glitter in your hair is a part of your hairstyle. And then some okay, this one's liquid pearls, green, key lime. We have some glamour dust. I don't even know how to use them, but I have them. This one's a box. Oh, these ones are wood, like baseball wood chips. But I think I bought this because I can like use this as just a like a chipboard type thing. Like I can do the other side and do something with the circles. This one's stickers, just has the days and the months. This one is a cork dad from Studio Calico. Okay, and then I have some embellishments, heart embellishments from Create Paper. And then some flares. I believe this one's from Studio Calico too. As you can see, I haven't even opened it. I don't know why. Okay, there's two. There's Hip Hip Hooray and Wonderful. And then I have the stencil. I believe this one's Studio Calico as well. And finally, I have these Hampton Arts alphabet tiles. I bought this Tuesday morning. That's kind of cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick, let me pick like at least 15 items out of this. And then, or maybe 10. I don't know. Because I know some of them will coordinate with each other. So I'll go see if I can narrow this down. And then you're going to help me. You're going to vote as to which items I should use in a layout. So basically try to, if you want to challenge me to see like pick like odds and ends and try to see if I could put them all together cohesively, or you can make it easy for me and pick like the themed ones. I don't know. We'll see. So I'll be back. All right, my friends, just to let you know, my battery is about to die, so I'm going to try to do this as fast as I can, hopefully, crossing my fingers. Okay, so I managed to get 21 items, and these are just hodgepodge of things, but I tried to pick like 2 of the same stuff, just so that there's a lot more options, and I think I managed to get 21 pieces here. So first off, you have this alpha tiles from Jillibean Soup, and then those 2 Flair badges. And then you have 2 stamps here. So you can pick both. You don't have to pick both. Like I said, the top 5 that people vote, that's what I'll try to incorporate on a layout. And then this is puffy stickers. These ones were the acetate or the clear letter words, I should say. And then the wood basketball, or no, baseball, I should say. Basically ball wood cuts. And then we have the stickers. And then we have the wallpaper quotes. And then you have the die cut town or village. You have two stencils here, the gingham and then the leaves. And then you have the liquid pearls. And then the metallic luster, metallic finish white frost. And then you have the red alpha, the puffy stickers, honey, and then the birthday puffy stickers. And then there's the Rubons. There's this puffy stickers. And then the birthday the birthday paper pack, or the Lost in Neverland paper pack. Again, I'm going to put this in the description box below, and what you can do, I guess, is you can vote the numbers, because they'll be by number, and then you can just vote. And again, just help me out here. I just need to kind of challenge myself to use some odds and ends, and I feel like if I go through this stash, then hopefully it will jumpstart my creativity. And of course, I value your opinions as my subscribers and my crafty friends. So let me know in the description box below which one you think I would do. And of course, I will do a process video with that layout. But again, if you like these videos, please consider giving this a thumbs up and subscribing. If you like this kind of interaction with me, let me know, and maybe I can do it again next month, or make it a full-on series where I pick up a bunch of products and then you vote and all that stuff. But this is my first time, so I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.